myself Rajneesh from Kindex. Kindex is committed to wellness since from 10 years and now taking a leap ahead. To move or not to move? That is the question that your patient, OA and RA patient asking themselves. As each woman brings with it a great relief of pain. So it brings a concept product of Kindex, Rosiflex. Rosiflex offers multiple benefits in arthritis, which is beyond pain relief. Rosiflex is a new European way to improve joint flexibility. Rosiflex is a powder of rosy obtained from the mature fruit of the plant Rosa canina, which is native to Europe. Rosiflex offers multimodal mechanism of action. GOPO, a galactolipid, a chief active ingredient in Rosiflex. Rosiflex exhibits anti-inflammatory action mediated by inhibition of leukitis to the affected area. Rosiflex has a potent antioxidant. Rosiflex is the rich source of vitamin C, E, minerals, and etc. So looking into how GOPO helps in osteoarthritis. During an inflammation, blood vessels dilate, increasing capillary permeability. PMNLs travel to the site of injury through chemotoxics. Plasma exudates cause swelling and pain. So the active principle of in rosy hips, GOPO, a galactolipids. GOPO has stabilizing effect on PMNLs. This inhibits the migration of PMNLs and thereby inflammation. Rosiflex has proven efficacy and safety. Study shows that 82% of the patient reported significant reduction in symptoms. Rosiflex reduces consumption of NSAIDs and other painkillers. Rosiflex offering multiple benefits in osteoarthritis patients. Patients suffer less pain, lesser handicaps, leads to a better quality of life, lesser use of NSAIDs and analgesics. Similar for rheumatoid arthritis patient also. Improve means disease disability index. Improves disease activity score. Improves ability to carry out daily activities like dressing, eating, walking, etc. So the BMG states that BMG 2010 states that a combination of glucosamine with chondroitin, which has been claimed to be effective in osteoarthritis disease, is actually not true. Instead, BMG 2010 states that the combination of glucosamine chondroitins, which has been claimed to be effective in osteoarthritis disease, is not beneficial. In relieving from pain and disease modification. Instead, instead they say that this new prescription of glucosamine should be avoided or avoided. Yes, sir. And Rosiflex has a multiple advantages over glucosamine chondroitin. Rosiflex have a faster onset action within 3 weeks. Rosiflex decreases effect on use of rescue medication. Rosiflex has no allergic potential. So as compared to glucosamine combination, Rosiflex is the best option for your arthritis patient. 3 BD for 3 months, 2 BD for maintenance. So prescribe Rosiflex to prescribe Rosiflex for patient to give them a great relief.